All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-through for a quick little version sponsored by the deli. Looking to lose weight? Stop by the deli and get yourself some hard-boiled eggs. All right, this is volume of prisms and cylinders. I sincerely and genuinely hope that you guys understand why the area of a rectangle is 4 times 3, okay? Remember we measure area in square units? That's why, okay? That's why we do base times height. We just are doing a quicker way of adding up all these square units, and a quicker way to do a bunch of addition is to add the rows, and a quicker way to add the rows is to multiply. That's all you're doing, okay? So I hope you understand that, because if you understand that, then I think you will understand why the volume of a prism is capital B times H. It's base area times height. So let's just start out with a simple rectangular prism. Okay, and let's say this one was 5 by 4 by 6. Okay, so 5 units. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, we got 5 units wide. This one's 4. And then 6 high. This is going to be a little harder. Okay, now I'll continue these over. Okay, and I guess I'll draw them on the top just because we're so close to having this thing explain why we're just doing the product of 3 things. Now I hope you can envision that that solid is made up of a bunch of little blocks. How big is each block? They're 1 square unit. So like when you hear about 1 centimeter cubed or 1 cubic, that's the same thing, centimeter, what you should think about is a dice. That's about how big a cubic centimeter is. It's the size of a typical dice. It's a little smaller than that, but it gives you an idea of what the heck is a cubic centimeter. So if you buy, 1,000 cubic centimeters of potting soil, then you're going to get a bag that's about as big as 1,000 dice. That's how many you're going to get. That's how much soil you would get, okay? So that is why we're just going to take the area of our base. Our base in this case is a rectangle, so you can imagine that just like we did before, that rectangle is going to have grids, and then you multiply that by the height. All right, good. So we got our volume of a prism is capital B times H. So then what do you think the volume of a cylinder is? Well, a cylinder is just like a prism, but instead of the base being a polygon, it's a regular infinigon. Okay, it's a circle. But this is so similar. Instead of calling, and you could still just call it that if you wanted. You could say it's capital B times H. But we know what the area of the base of a cylinder is. It's pi r squared. So it's pi r squared H. And that is your video for over the weekend. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Make good decisions. We'll see you Monday. Boom!